Step Up tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to review Step Up and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Step, you could also use affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Step, it is an all-in-one money management app designed to help individuals, particularly teens and young adults, build healthy financial habits, in which the app provides users with a digital banking experience by offering spending, saving, and money management features in a single platform. And users can receive direct deposits, send and receive money instantly, make purchases using Step Card, track their spending, and monitor their account balances in real time. And Step also includes tools that help users build credit responsibly, set savings goals, and manage their finances through an intuitive mobile interface. So now to start using this, you have an option to start entering your phone number in here, or alternatively, you can download using on Google Play Store and even on App Store on your iPhone. By simply clicking the Google Play Store button, you will be directed in here. So from here, you can start downloading it on your mobile and start signing in by entering here also your mobile phone number. But if you're using an iOS, you could also click the App Store in here, in which you will be directed in here. Or you could also start downloading this Step all-in-one money app. However, at this point, I'm not be able to download this. But if you do, all you need to do is simply enter your mobile phone number, and after that, you will be able to receive an OTP code in order to start signing in this application. Or from here, after the homepage or on your dashboard, you can track the number of your savings in here, and you can even insert or link some of your cards by filling out some of the card details needed to do so. Then you can even track some of your account activity in here, including your cash flow and any other transactions. So basically, under the homepage section, it will serve as the main dashboard of Step Up. It provides users with a quick overview of your financial activities. You could also go to this Step Early Pay. If you want to borrow some money, all you need to do is simply get a verification by simply uploading your ID, scanning your face, and many more. And as you can see, this advertises no interest and no credit check, in which this helps user build and monitor their credit responsibly. It also provides an information about the credit building activities, payment history, and when available, credit score updates. This feature educates users on maintaining good financial behavior while helping them establish a positive credit history. And they even have here this Earn section, which is designed to help users increase their income or rewards through opportunities available within the Step Up. And depending on the user account and available offers, this section may include cashback rewards, referral bonuses, promotional offers, or other eligible earning programs, including by answering some of the survey in here as you can see. It also allows users to track their earnings, view available opportunities, and monitor the status of pending and completed rewards. Now moving on, under this direct deposit feature, it allows users to receive recurring payments such as salaries, wages, government benefits, or tax refunds directly into their Step account without needing paper checks. By simply providing their account or routing information to an employer or payment provider, user can have funds deposited automatically and securely. But before using the app, make sure to already read this disclosure in here and terms and conditions. And now aside from those, some of the features also offered by this app is the digital banking that provides users with a mobile banking experience where they can manage their money, check balances, and perform financial transactions directly from the app. And they also offer debit card, which offer a physical and virtual Step card that can be used for online purchases, and even direct deposit, send and request money, saving tools, credit building, spending insights, and even transaction history, earning rewards, security features, and many more. So now if you have other concern or question, just go to this frequently asked question in here and just choose the topic, for example this one, how old do I have to be to join to Step? And why do I need a cell phone number to create my account, and many more. So all of this, as you can see, upon clicking on each question or topic, it will show you the corresponding answer to it. So you don't need to simply go or ask anyone from the internet. Now, aside from that, you will also click some of these highlight topics in here, and you will be directed on each one if you want to. And also some of this kind of question including or involving the parents' consent. And also STEP also helps families by providing a safe and convenient platform for managing money while encouraging responsible financial habits. And parents can use the app to send money to their children, monitor spending, and teach essential financial skills such as budgeting, saving, and responsible spending. And also the app's debit card and spending insight allows family to track purchase in real time, helping them to stay within their budgets and identify unnecessary expenses. Now moving on, some of their benefits including early pay that features allow individual or user to receive their direct deposit such as paychecks up to 2 days earlier than the standard payday. And even it will help them to build a credit that helps eligible users establish and improve their credit history through responsible financial activity by making on-time payments and using eligible credit building services offered through the Step app. While on the other hand, the save option in here feature helps user to build healthy savings habits by making it easy to set aside money for future needs and financial goals. And the users can create savings goals, monitor their progress, and keep funds separate from their everyday spending. And this feature encourages disciplined money management whether users are saving for emergencies, education, to travel, or major purchases. And it says here that you could get over 7 times the national average by entering here the amount of money or how much do you already have in your savings and how much are you planning to save. Then it will show you the amount of money that you will get in a year in here, as you can see by saving using this application, in which this kind of feature encourages disciplined money management whether users are saving for emergencies, education, travel, and by tracking the savings over time, the save option helps users motivated and work together toward a greater financial security. Now moving on to this direct deposit, this feature allows users to receive eligible payments such as paychecks, government benefits, and tax refunds directly into their STEP account by providing their STEP account and routing numbers to an employer or payment provider. Funds are deposited automatically without the need for paper checks. This feature offers faster, safer, and more convenient access to money while reducing the risk of loss or delayed payments. And also user can easily track incoming deposits through the app in real time. So basically using STEP is important because it provides a convenient and secure way to manage personal finances in a mobile application. It also allows users to spend, save, and send money, receive direct deposit, and build credit while keeping track of their financial activities in real time. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Step Up. Thank you.